Hello, this is Robbie Dodenbeer in Melbourne, Australia. Going to go over my enhancement number 7 activity. So to start with, I have logged out. I'm going to click on my account. I'm going to first log in with a client level 1. Okay, so you can see here I do not have the actually just going to log out of that. I do not have any of the product information. I just have the update account just to show validation. Clicking on the account update, view page source. I'm going to copy that and put it in my, here's HTML validator. As you can see, I've gotten green, no error messages. I do have 2 CSS files. Here's my main. If I throw that in my CSS, I get green. I take that out, come back over here, and my other one is product.css, and I throw that in here and saved. Okay, so if I jump back in here, I am going to just make some information changes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm actually even going to change my email address. Well, actually, I'll do something first. I'll leave that blank. I hit update account. You can see changes. I'm also going to, let's say, revert that back. And I'm going to just change my email address this time. And update account. You can see that was changed. I'm going to revert that back just because I keep forgetting when I change that. Real quick, I'm going to change my password to another password. Update password, I'm going to log out. Click on my account. Gmail.com. New. No, I'll try the current, my previous password, although you can't see it. See, it comes back, says unable to do it. I'm going to type in the new password. There you go. I did that. Okay. Finally, I'm going to log out. I'm going to log in as the admin user. If I can remember the password. Okay, I've logged in. As you can see, now I have the product page, and there is that. So I believe that is all that was required. Thank you very much.